Hey, are you having issues with your website performance? As you can see this Google article, this is the three parameters are core web vitals. If your website don't fulfill these three parameters, that means uh, your website performance is very poor and also affect in SEO ranking. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can improve your website performance. So let's get started. Hello guys, my name is Pranay and you are watching PROWEBTIPS YouTube channel. So guys, you can see this is my website and I am going to improve this website performance. So first of all, I am going to test out the performance of this website. So I have already opened the page speed insight tool. Now click on analyze. You can see we have 83 and you can see the LCP is 4.2. LCP should be below 2.5 seconds. That would be good, or our score is above 4 seconds, that means is very poor. So these two are core web vitals, so we need to improve. So what need to do, you can see NitroPack.io. you need to open this website and they will help to improve your website performance. So click in get started and you can see the pricing here. If your website has below 5,000 per month view, then you can select the free plan, or if you have more than 5,000 page views per month, okay, then you can choose the plan if you want. So I will suggest you to go with the free plan, it will definitely help you. So click on start for free, then put the name here, and you should put the URL as it is your website URL. I have non www website, only HTTPS, so same as you should put here, and then you need to describe your website, which type of website, publisher, blog, and fill the captcha, accept, and click here the sign up button. Now okay, click on place my order, and done. Okay guys, as you can see I am using Cloudflare. If you are using Cloudflare, then you need to integrate the Cloudflare API. Enable this one. You have to add your Cloudflare email and your global API key. So I have already logged in my Cloudflare and select the domain. Scroll down, you will see the API token. Get your API token, click here, and you can see your API token, click here. Now the global API key, okay. Now again go to the NitroPack.io website and paste here the API key. Okay, then save the setting. Okay, now open your WordPress website, log into your WordPress website dashboard. Okay, click on plugin and then add new. Search here NitroPack. The first one, NitroPack. Install it. Then click on active. Find the plugin. There it is. And connect to NitroPack. Okay, you can also enter detail manually, but we have already logged in the NitroPack dashboard. Just click here. Now it connected and it's giving a warning. It seems like WP Rocket is active. So we have already a caching plugin, so we need to deactivate. Go to the installed plugin. Deactivate. Okay, and now again go to the plugin setting, enable this feature. Enabling cache warmup will use 20 page optimization, so yes, you need. And you can also enable HTML compression if you want, but it will automatically compress when HTML needed to compression. And optimization mode, this one by default is good. And again go to the NitroPack dashboard and click here. Okay, leave as it is by default. If you want to ignore some kind of parameters, you can leave here. If you want to exclude cookies, images, JavaScript, CSS, you can enable these features and exclude if you want. And next thing is that you can see here optimize ads, so ad will not block the initial page render. So okay, we have ads on our website, so we need to enable this one. Click save. Okay, for better optimization, you can also put here the sitemap. Our website sitemap is as you can see, this is the website, and our website sitemap is sitemap index.xml. This is our sitemap, so you can put here the sitemap of your website for better optimization. Now we are going to check out our speed test. So I'm going to open in a private window. As you can see, the before our speed result was 83. Search page speed inside. Now this is the website ncitsolution.net. Now analyze. You can see the performance 93. It is far better. And you can see the desktop result is 100. That's awesome. So that's it, guys, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the red subscribe button. And guys, I will see you in the next video.